Hi, my name is Jessica Aldaba, and I am from ABMA. Today I will discuss informative speech. First of all, what is the meaning of informative speech? Informative speech is to inform what is the topic all about. And my example of informative speech is about online learning. Online learning is the process to make the study easy. And nowadays, when you hear the word online learning, the first thing that comes in your mind is that it is use computer. And the schools that you'll remember when you hear this online learning is AMA. AMA is one of the leading schools that declare online learning. You'll study in advance, read in advance, and learn in advance. If you access to online learning, you have you have many information to pick up, and that's all. Thank you.